Flagler County. Bob Pickering here at the Emergency Operations Center with the latest Flagler weather update. Just a reminder, I'm not a meteorologist. All the weather information I present originates from the National Weather Service. Let's go ahead and take a look what's going on as we go through the middle of the week. A high pressure system here moving off to the east, but a high pressure rotates like this and it's allowing for southeast winds to move across Flagler County. And that's been allowing for the temperatures to warm up, pulling up some of that warm air to the south and southeast of us, and that air over the ocean too, bringing it across Flagler County. You can also note over this over the mid-south area, a lot of rain. Matter of fact, this whole red area is at risk of flash flooding and the yellow risk of severe weather. All this to our north and west. And this is part of a front that is slowly creeping towards us. However, when we get to the end of the week, when we get to Friday, all the energy with that storm goes well off to our north. And so we're just going to see a fading chance of showers or thunderstorms as this front moves into the region on Friday. And there's some signals that this front's going to kind of fade out and stall off to the south, and what's left of it may try to move back to the north over the latter part of the weekend and could give us maybe several rounds of showers late part of the weekend in addition to Friday. But nothing really of any major consequence, at least the way things look right now. So an overview: warmer for the rest of today and Thursday. We're going to see the warming trend continue right into the end of the week, but on Friday, risk of the odd shower or storm, probably a band of showers coming through, maybe the odd rumble of thunder or two as well. And then the weekend looks to be mild, but maybe a shower or two towards the end of the weekend, going into Sunday, Monday, the way things stand at this time. Now, through the rest of the middle of the week, largely sunny skies, some patchy cloud from time to time. More in the afternoons, might see a few bits of cloud blowing off the ocean as well. High temperatures getting up into the upper 70s for the rest of Wednesday. Low temperatures tonight generally right near 60 degrees. And on Thursday, even warmer still with patchy cloud. Highs getting up to near 80, 82 degrees. It will be cooler right along the beaches and a little breezy there. Lows generally in the lower 60s all the way around Flagler County. Then we get to Friday, a round of showers and maybe a thunderstorm or two will be possible as that cold front moves through the area. Again, the front could be, depending how strong it is, will determine the chances of rain. We might just get a few showers or a spell of rain, but it won't be an all-day thing. So right now, our forecast for Friday: thickening cloud, risk of showers or a storm. High temperatures getting up into the lower 80s, low temperatures bottoming out right in the upper 50s, near 60 degrees Friday night as that front goes through. Looking at the weekend: cooler, breezy at the coast, chance of showers more so on Sunday, more likely Sunday afternoon. So if you're doing any of the outside Sunday services for Easter, you should be okay in the mornings. It's the afternoon is where we're going to be watching those risk of showers to be increasing on Sunday. Highs generally getting into the mid to upper 70s, a little warmer on Sunday. Lows generally in the upper 50s, near 60 degrees. And it looks like things are going to stay changeable with the risk of showers as we go into the first part of next week. High temperatures generally in the lower 80s, lows generally near 60 degrees. So at the beaches, surf 3 to 6 feet. There is a high risk of dangerous rip currents, so keep that in mind. Surf temperature a chilly 65 degrees and a very high UV index, so make sure you are sunblocked up if you're going out there. Now let's take a look at our drought index numbers. And again, fortunately for Flagler County, we're not in too bad a shape up here. We're up in the 200s as long as all of North Florida. A little bit of rainfall we had did help us a little bit. You can see things dramatically change as you get south of Daytona Beach. Matter of fact, as I'm chatting to you, they're working wildfires near New Smyrna Beach. But as you get from here southward, things dry out quite a bit. So it's definitely a big difference between us and southern Florida as far as the drought index is concerned. But still, we always have to practice good fire prevention, good fire safety with any ignition source outside. So remember, weather's always changing, so you can go to flaglercounty.org to get the latest weather information from the National Weather Service as well as other sources, and sign up for Flagler Alert while you're there. It's a good resource to getting warnings. Check your weather radio. It's another great resource as well. Now, if you have Spectrum, you can watch this program on channel 492, or if you go to YouTube and type in Flagler County, you will also find our YouTube channel. You can find this and other fine Flagler County programs on demand. That's going to wrap it up from the Emergency Operations Center. Everyone have a lovely day.